Hi and welcome back again. So I'm going to do the next one, which is a shot. This shot is called hot sauce, which is a sabotage element in the game. So you have to burn and feel pain. So that's what's my start idea for the cocktail. So what you do is you take around 1 centiliter of gin, around 1 centiliter of strawberry. This one is spun strawberry I use. Then I'm going to take a dash of cacao ground. Just a little bit, just for the color sake, and just to get, so there's a good mix for chili and strawberry and also chocolate, so I thought that was just gonna be fine. Then 3 drops of Tabasco.
Oh, that's for Anita.
A little bit of paprika, smoked paprika, just to get like a barbecue taste. And then some cayenne pepper, just a tiny bit. And there you got it, the hot sauce. Enjoy.